Good evening, everyone. This is Jason, the Headlight Guy. Tonight I'm coming at you with a pair of aftermarket 5th gen Camaro headlights. They're the ones that mimic the 6th gen style. I'll post a quick little picture in this video. But this one right here is the factory projector that it comes with. And then over here we have a retrofit with a profile by LED 2.0. And we're going to aim them up at the wall. You can see the differences between the two. The factory one is equipped with a Morimoto 2-stroke 2.0. And I'm just going to let this shine and see what it maxes out on the meter at in the hot spot. It's fairly wide, but it's just got a good hot spot. Decent color. We're going to up real quick and take a peek at the Morimeter and see where it's at. Looks like I maxed out at 205.1. Now we'll grab the profile. And the profile I feel offers a bunch more foreground. And you can see it just overpowers the 2-stroke. It's wider, it's crisper, and I happen to like the slightly warmer tone that it offers. Go up here and check out that meter and see where it's at now. $854 lux. So the intensity obviously wins this battle. I'll post a picture again of the headlight, and if anybody has any questions or concerns, feel free to shoot me an email or follow me on Instagram. Quite responsive on there as well. Thank you and have a good night.